So you are working with Asana on a personal profile, right? Or personal workspace. You can easily convert that at any point in time to an organization. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your workspace to an organization in Asana. To do that, click your account on the upper right hand side and click in the admin panel. And then from here, you want to go to settings on the left. Here you'll find convert to organization. You click on that, then you want to go ahead and ensure that you read the following. It says you can convert XYZ to an organization by linking it to your work email domain. So if you do that first and foremost, you will be able to convert that. Organization connects everyone to their company that uses Asana in a single space based on the company's shared domain. So these are the instructions that you need to be able to follow, and it gives you the step. The first step is that you need to add your work email address to Asana, right, to your account. And it explains that your personal email, such as Gmail, Hotmail, or .edu, cannot be linked to an organization. So that's the reason why. So if you want to do that, then you have to just connect your email of your work to that, right? And to add the email, you just want to go ahead and go to the accounts tab in your settings, and here is the guide that's going to help you to do that. So you want to click on view guide for help, and this is where you'll have the information that is going to help you to set up or convert it to that. So you'll have the full instruction here that will help you to convert it. So you just want to go through and read the details that you have here, and that's going to help you to do that. Pretty much easy stuff, guys. So this is how you'll be able to connect it, and that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.